Yeah, it's messy. Anyway, we're doing a 5-speed conversion on the Ford Ranger Ford Explorer drivetrain. We got this GMC here. It's sitting on the Ford Explorer. This swap will work for your Ford Explorer and your Ford Ranger, so don't worry. We're using this is 4.0, by the way. It's a Ford motor, trust me. You will need the 4.0 flywheel. You will need your flywheel bolts and a pressure plate and clutch kit. We got this from a used motor, and we're going to run that. That should be replaced. That should be resurfaced. But you know what? It's what we got on hand, and we don't know if the motor's good in this truck, and we're using it anyway. You will also need a set of pedals. You can pick these pedals up $200 to $300, sometimes $100 off of eBay if you need your set, and they are a pain to install. You will need a 5-speed transmission. This is a 4-wheel drive. It's the same length as the 4-wheel drive 5R55, whatever came out of it. So we're just going to use it. It's good enough for us. The 2-wheel drives, you probably have to modify your drive line, but this works for us. And this is what we're going to be using in this swap. Also, you will need a starter. You see this down here? Be sure to get the starter that matches your flywheel. I do believe they differ between the flex plate and the flywheel. You do not need the manual shift wiring harness like everyone says. It's fine. You just can bypass your neutral safety switch and it won't care. But if you want to be professional, you can get the manual swap computer and the manual swap harness to go along with it, but we don't care. Let the engine's lights shine. It should be self-explanatory too. You will need a hydraulic throwout band and your clutch master cylinder. The clutch master cylinder goes in where your shifter cable goes through. It just goes in and twists into the brake thing. There's no mount hardware besides the brake thing you got to change out. So it's pretty simple swap. And you should be up and going in a weekend, shouldn't you, Cray? Unless you break a few bolts. Me and Cray's been here about 6 hours because we broke 2 flywheel bolts off and it was a battle getting them out. We got them. We got them.